Sierra Club of America. If you know your party's extension, please enter it now. Press 1 for English. Oprima 2 para español. Press 1 for nationwide emergency roadside assistance. Can I help you? Hello?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yes. I'm just calling because I have a flat tire.
Okay, let's start off with your membership ID number. What would that be, please?
All right, just 1 second. It's 1229.
All right. Give me a few minutes to make some calls. Let me see who in the area is available, how quickly until they're able to come out and assist you. I will call you back on the number you've given me as a contact number. Make sure you are able to answer. If I find a provider and contact you and there's no answer, I will put the call on hold until I'm able to reach you, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
All right,
Bye-bye.
thank you.
This is to all you non-believers out there. This is what you're missing out on.
So, all you MCA non-believers out there, this is what we're looking at here. This was once Gabriella's tire, and look, I remember how you saw it was flat. Looks like there's a nail inserted inside of there. So currently, this is the aftermath.
Fuck. Don't show my car. No. Don't show my car.
MCA roadside assistance. You guys would need this. Seriously.
Comes in
Come
handy, man.
handy.